Now, good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to explain how to construct an angle of 60-degree. Fine. So you will draw with me side by side without wasting your time. Fine. So now I am going to explain how to construct an angle of 60-degree. First step is to draw a ray. This is your first step. Fine. The first step is to draw a ray. So draw with me side by side quickly without wasting your time. This is the first step, to draw a ray, because as we know, an angle is formed by two rays. Fine. So name it. This is A and this is B. After drawing, write down in the chat box. Then I will explain the next step. Fine. The first step is to draw a ray. This is not a line. This is not a line segment. This is known as a ray. Fine. Yes. Very good. Now, the next step is to open the compass. Now, open the compass with any size. There will be no compulsion to you. You can open the compass according to your wish. Now, open. Open it. Fine. First step is to draw a ray. Second step is to open a compass. And once you open the compass, after that, you will not change the size of compass. Fine. This is very important to note. I am repeating one more time. Once you open the compass, after that, you will not change the size. Fine. Now, come to the next step. The next step is to put your compass, put the sharp tip of compass. This is a sharp tip now. So put the sharp tip of compass at A here and draw a semicircle like this. And semicircle must touch your ray. This is point C. This is very much compulsory. Whenever you will draw a semicircle, your semicircle must touch your ray. Fine. Now, as I have already explained, once you open the compass, after that you will not change the size. Fine. Now, you get one new point C. Now, I'm going to put this compass at this point C. This is your next step. First step is to draw a ray. Second step is to draw a semicircle. Third step is to put your compass at C. With the same size, you will not change the size of compass. Fine. Now, put your compass at C and draw an arc like this. Draw an arc like this. Fine. Now, this is this point. This. Now, I am going to draw another ray which passed through this point from here. Look, this. So, this is an angle of 60-degree. So, like this, we will draw an angle of 60-degree. Okay. Now, complete it. After that, I will explain an angle of 120-degree. And in 120-degree, we will again repeat this 60-degree. So if anyone joined now, don't worry. When I explain an angle of 120-degree, I will again explain how to construct an angle of 60-degree. Fine. So draw this, write down in the chat box. Then I will start next angle 120-degree. Fine. And assign name to this ray also, D. Very much compulsory to assign names. Okay, and this is a ray. You will not say, ma'am, this is a line or line segment. Fine. You have done? Students, write down in the chat box, you have done with this 60 degree. Then I will start with 120 degree. Yes, very good. Now, in 120 degree, I will again repeat this 60 degree. Fine. To construct an angle of 120 degree, first of all, you will repeat all the steps that we have completed in 60 degree. Fine. Yes, Radhika? Yes, Radhika, tell me you have any doubt? Write down your doubt in the chat box. Fine. Yes. Radhika, are you hearing me?
I am saying that can you repeat this angle again?
Yes, beta. In 120 degree, I will again repeat 60 degree. Okay? Because to construct an angle of 120 degree, we required 60 degree. So listen to me very, very carefully. Okay? I'm going to repeat all the steps. Now, the first step is to, students, write down in the chat box, according to you, what is the first step we have done in the question number 1? What is the first step? Yes, I am waiting for your responses. Very good. Well done. Well done, Myra. Manya. Yes. Very good, Ranesh. Well done, Komal. Yes. Well done. Very good. Now, the first step is to construct a ray. Draw a ray. This is your first step. Fine. This is A and this is B. This is your first step. Now tell me, what is the second step? Quickly write down in the chat box. I am waiting. This is the first step to draw a ray. What is the second step? What will be the second step? Gauri, I am not talking about 120 degree, 120 degree. You are writing here again and again. Write down in the chat box. What is the next step? Yes, open a compass. Very good, Karthik. Now, open a compass according to your wish. There will be no compulsion. Fine. Now, put the sharp tip of compass, this sharp tip, on A and draw a semicircle like this. This is a semicircle. Fine. Now, your compass, you must put your compass at this point, point A. Fine. After drawing a semicircle, you will get a new point. The name of this point is C. One more thing, students. A, B, C, not compulsion for you. You can assign name according to your wish. Fine. Now, after that, again you will put your compass at C. Now I'm going to put the compass same size. You will not change the size at C and draw an arc. This is termed as an arc. This is arc. Fine. And you will get one new point. This is. Always mark points on the semicircle. Fine. Don't put this point outside here. Whenever you will put your point, always put your point on the semicircle. Fine. So you will get. Now, Radhika, this is an angle of 60 degree. Fine, beta. Got it? I hope your doubt is clear. If yes, then write down in the chat box. Yes. Radhika, I am waiting for you, beta. Yes, very good. So this is an angle of 60 degree. So name it D. You will not stop here. You will not draw a ray from this point. because in this question our requirement is 120-degree angle. Our requirement is not of 60-degree angle. Okay, now if our requirement is of 60-degree angle, then you will draw a ray from here. Okay, but our requirement is of 120-degree angle. Now again you will put your compass, sharp tip of this compass. Fine. Again you will put this compass at this D point. This is your next step. Now put your compass again at this D point for the construction of 120-degree angle. Now again put here, and you will get one new point. This here. This is one new point for you. Okay. This D point is for 60-degree angle, and this new point is for 120-degree angle. Now I'm going to draw a ray from this new point. Fine. From here. So this is an angle of 120-degree. So like this, we will construct an angle of 120-degree. First, you will construct 60-degree. Then with the help of 60-degree, we will get 120-degree. Fine. So draw. After drawing, write down in the chat box. Then I will explain 90-degree angle. And in 90-degree, I will again repeat 60-degree and 120-degree. So you don't worry, fine. अगर आपको कुछ भी doubt है, तो don't worry, because in 120-degree, I will again repeat 60-degree and 120-degree. Fine. Now complete, and after that, write down in the chat box. Yes, students. After completing, write down in the chat box. Yes, Pamni, you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
मैम मैंने कंपास से मेजर किया मैम 110 और 120 के बीच में आ रहा है.
No. Maybe the size of your compass change, beta. Okay? Maybe after during drawing, आपका compass का size change हुआ होगा. Otherwise नहीं आता. Never. You will never get 110 or 120 in between. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So keep in mind the size will not change. Okay? Yes. Now students, draw this. I am going to take your attendance. After that, I will explain 90-degree angle. Yes. And in 90-degree, I will again repeat 60-degree and 120-degree. Fine. Now, come to next, construction of 90-degree angle. Fine. Now, students, very good. Well done. Very good, Raghav. Well done, beta. Now, students, write down in the chat box, what is the first step? Same step. That's I have already explained. Yes, very good. Students, you will write, you want to write something? Yes. Toish. Yes, Toish, you want to say something?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. You have any doubt? You raised hand.
मैम डाउट नहीं है, पर मैम मैंने आपसे पूछना है, मैम हमारे स्कूल खुल रहे हैं.
Now concentrate on work, okay? The first step is to draw a ray. This is your first step. Fine. The first step is to draw a ray. This is A and this is B. Fine. The second step is to, what is the second step? I am waiting for your responses. Write down in the chat box. I hope you have cleared with the concept. Students, write down in the chat box, what is the second step? Very good. Open your compass. Fine. Open your compass with any size. Yes, this is your next step. Open your compass with any size. Fine. After that, put the sharp tip of this compass where? Tell me, where we will put the sharp tip of compass? Yes, Radhika, unmute yourself.
Point.
Radhika, where we will put the sharp tip of compass?
Ma'am, A point. Ma'am, on A point.
At A point or at B point?
Ma'am, at A point.
At A point, yes. Is there any compulsion to open the compass with size, or this is your wish to open the compass with any size?
Ma'am, any size.
Any size, very good. Now we will put the compass at A and draw a semicircle. Fine, very good. Students who want to reply this question, raise your hand. Yes. Students who want to reply this question, raise your hand. Yes, very good. Divya. Divya, unmute yourself.
Morning, ma'am.
Divya, tell me, what is the next step?
We will draw an arc.
From which point we will draw an arc?
From C point.
Very good. We will draw an arc from C point. Well done. Now put your compass at C and draw an arc. This. Now, Raghav, unmute yourself. Raghav, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Raghav, tell me, this first arc will represent which angle?
Ma'am, 60 degrees.
Very good. This first arc will represent 60-degree angle. Well done. And name it. And whenever you name it on the semicircle. Fine. Don't outside the semicircle, name it on the semicircle. So this is point D. Now, what is the next step? Kratigya, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kratigya. Tell me, what is the next step?
Ma'am, the next step is to make a slanting line.
Our requirement is not of 60-degree angle. Our requirement is of 90-degree angle. We will draw a slanting line named as ray if our requirement is of 60-degree angle. But in this question, we will not require a 60-degree angle. We require a 90-degree angle. So what is the next step?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the next step? Kratigya, we will
Ma'am,
continue.
we will make another.
Yes, we will make another arc from this D point. Okay? We will make another arc from this D point here with the same size. Okay? Now this is.
Okay, ma'am.
This point is E. You will get a new point. Name this point E. Students, I am repeating. Listen to me very, very carefully. If our requirement is of 60-degree angle, then we will stop here and draw a ray. Okay? But in this question, our requirement is not of 60-degree angle. The question is to construct an angle of 90-degree. So you will not draw a ray. You will continue. Okay? Now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Now, one more point which is very important. Now, I will not draw a ray from this E point, because if you will draw a ray from this E point, then you will get 120-degree angle. But again, our requirement is not of 120-degree angle. Our requirement is of 90-degree angle. Fine. So to construct an angle of 90 degree, the next step, which is very, very important. Now, students, stop writing. Everyone, put your whole concentration on understanding the concept. Fine. Now, to construct an angle of 90 degree, now I am going to put this compass at this point, D point. Note down. To construct an angle of 90 degree, put compass at point D. फाइन विद सेम साइज. बेटा जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में कंपास ओपन की थी, आपने बिल्कुल उसका साइज चेंज नहीं करना पूरे क्वेश्चन में. विद द सेम साइज यू विल ड्रॉ ईच एंड एवरी आर्क. फाइन. नाउ पुट कंपास एट पॉइंट डी, mark an arc here, upper. Now the next step is to put your compass at point E now. Now put your compass at point E now. Now put your compass at point E now. Like this. Fine. You will get, after doing this, you will get X alpha letter. X letter. Okay. Now from this you will draw a ray. From this you will draw a ray. And this is an angle of 90 degree. It means to construct an angle of 90 degree, first of all, we will construct 60 degree arc. Then we will construct 120 degree arc. Then with the help of 60 degree and 120 degree arcs, we will get 90 degree angle. So this is very important to note. Fine. One more time, I am going to repeat. Fine. One more time, I am going to repeat each and every step. Now, write down in the chat box, what is the first step? Quickly, I am waiting for your responses. Write down in the chat box, what is the first step? Very good. The first step is to draw a ray. This is the first step. Fine. So this is A and this is B. What is the next step? What is the second step? Very good. Very good response from all of you. Well done. Now open your compass with any size. There will be no compulsion. Fine. Now put the sharp tip of this compass here, A. Like this. Like this. Fine. Now this is point C. What is the next step? What is the next step? Yes. This is semicircle done. Now the next step is to construct an arc. From which point? Students, write down in the chat box. Your reply is correct. We will construct an arc. But tell me from which point you will construct an arc. Well done. Very good. From this point C. Yes. From this point C. Now tell me this first arc. This first arc will represent which angle? Now tell me this first arc. My question is, this first arc named as D will represent which angle? Yes, very good, Komal. Well done. This will represent 60 degree angle. If you want to draw a 60 degree angle, then you will draw a ray from this point like this. Okay? Like this you will draw a ray. So this is an angle of 60 degree. Now tell me, but if our requirement is of 120 degree angle, then what will you do? If our requirement is not of 60 degree angle, our requirement is of 120 degree angle, then what will you do? Very good, Kinjal. Draw another arc from D. Yes, with the same size. I am repeating again and again. Once you open the compass, after that you will not change the size. Fine. Now, put your compass at D here and draw another arc. This. This is point E. This is point E. Students, note down very, very carefully. Mark the point on the semicircle. Fine. Mark point C, mark point D, and mark point E on the semicircle, not outside, not here and there. Okay, mark the point on the semicircle. This is E. Now, to construct an angle of 90 degree, I am going to put the sharp tip of this compass at D. This is arc. After that, put your compass at E. One more arc and you will get X letter. You will get X letter. Okay. Now, from this, draw a ray. And this is an angle of 90 degree. Fine. So like this, we will draw 60 degree angle, 120 degree angle and 90 degree angle. Now students, listen to me very, very carefully. If in exam you will observe any question which is based on 60 degree angle, 120 degree angle and 90 degree angle, then you have to draw angles with the help of compass, not with the help of protractor. Because if you draw 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree with protractor, then only 1 marks is given to you. Fine. So very much compulsory to draw 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree with the help of protractor. Fine. Note down in your notebook. Yes, Natansh? Natansh, you are unmute. You raised hand. Any doubt?
मैम जैसे मेरे पेपर में 38 डिग्री आएगा 68 आएगा
बेटा
तो
आपको
वो
अभी
कैसे
30
बनाएंगे?
डिग्री नहीं है इन योर सिलेबस. I am only talking about 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree. Okay? You will only construct these 3 angles with the compass. Rest of the angles with protector. So put your concentration. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. Okay? Don't say कि मैम वो कैसे करेंगे. That are not in your syllabus. वो अगर आएंगे तो वो आपने प्रोटेक्टर से ही करने हैं. सिर्फ मैं 3 एंगल्स की बात कर रही हूँ. 60 डिग्री, 120 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री ये आपने कंपास से करने हैं. रेस्ट ऑफ द एंगल्स अगर कोई आता है तो आपने किससे करना है? प्रोटेक्टर से. फाइन. And one more thing. Now I'm going to explain one more thing. Keep in your mind any number which is divisible by 15. Any number which is divisible by 15. Okay? Like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, any other also, 90 degree, 120 degree angle, and so on. All these angles we can construct with the help of compass. Okay, we can also construct 30 degree with compass, but this part is not in your syllabus. This is in the class 6th. Fine. We can also construct 45 degree with the help of compass, but वही बेटा ये आपके 6th class में है. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए which angle we will construct with the help of compass. Any number which is divisible by 15. Okay. Now, if I'm talking about 40 degree, 40 is not a multiple of 15. Okay. This number is not a multiple of 15. So, easily we are not able to construct this with the help of compass. हो जाएगा but not easily. But ये जो है सारे जो 15 के multiples हैं, we can easily construct these angles with the help of compass. So you have to know this thing. भी कौन से angles हैं जो हम बहुत easily draw कर सकते हैं compass से. आपके पास क्विकली रिप्लाई होना चाहिए मैम एनी नंबर विच इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 15 वी कैन इजिली कंस्ट्रक्ट दैट नंबर विद द हेल्प ऑफ compass. Okay, yes, very good Raghav. 105 also, but 105 is not in your syllabus now. In the 6th class, 6th class में आपको सभी हैं, 30 भी है, 45 भी है, 75 भी है. Okay, now draw this, then I will explain 60 degree angle on the second side. How will you draw 60 degree angle on this side? Okay, on the right hand side. Same method, only you will change the direction. Same method. Now I am going to draw an angle on right hand side. Same, the first step is to construct a ray, to draw a ray. This is your first step. Now, I want to draw an angle on right hand side. Okay, so I fix this point and draw arrow here. So this is A and this is B. What is the reason? Why this point is fixed? Because I am going to draw an angle on the right hand side. If you want to draw an angle on the left hand side, then you will fix left hand side like this. Fix this AB. Fine. बेटा जिस साइड आपने एंगल ड्रॉ करना है उसको आपने फिक्स करना है. राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. Now I am going to draw an angle on the right hand side. तो मैंने किसको फिक्स किया? राइट हैंड साइड को. Same, open your compass. Fine. Open your compass and draw semicircle from A. From A. From here. Now you will get C point here. अब आपको C इस साइड मिलेगा. Rest of the steps are same. Rest of the steps are same. Now I am going to put compass. कहाँ पे पुट करते थे हम? अगर हमारा इस साइड पे सेमी सर्कल है like this, then where will you put your compass? At which point? Yes, students. Now at which point we will put the compass? Yes, at the point C. Okay, now put your compass here and draw an arc like this. This is point D. This is point D. Now to construct an angle of 60 degree, draw a ray like this. like this. Fine. So this is 60-degree angle on the right hand side. Same method. The difference is direction change. Okay. On this side, this is A and this is B. Your angle is like this. Your angle is like this. And on the right hand side, if you want to construct an angle on the right hand side, then the direction of ray towards the left hand side. This is the difference. Rest of the steps are exactly same. Fine. I hope the concept of all the angles clear to you. How to construct an angle of 60 degree, how to construct an angle of 120 degree, and how to construct an angle of 90 degree. If yes, then write down in the chat box. Yes, students? If the concept is clear to you, then write down in the chat box. Very good. Yes, well done. Yes, and today you will draw all the angles 60 degree, note down 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree in your fair notebook. कोई भी स्टूडेंट ऐसा नहीं है जो आज इसको रिपीट नहीं करेगा. ओके फाइन. कोई भी स्टूडेंट ऐसा नहीं है जो बोलेगा मुझे कल भी मैम हमने रिपीट नहीं किया, हमको टाइम नहीं मिला. Very much compulsory to repeat all the angles today only. Otherwise, आपको भूल जाएगा. Fine. Now, Mehak, unmute yourself, Mehak.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mehak. Tell me which number we can easily construct with the help of compass. Give me the explanation.
Easily
Yes.
80 degree.
नहीं, मैंने अभी आपको बताया था ना कौन सा नंबर हम कंपास से इजीली ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं.
15.
No.
The 15 multiple.
Yes, very good. Any number which is the multiple of 15. This is the correct result. Okay, not 15, not 40, not 18. Any number which is multiple of 15, that number we can easily construct with the help of compass. Very good. Well done. Any number, आप ये भी बोल सकते हो, any number which is divisible by 15, multiple of 15. So say anything according to your wish. Yes, Harman, yes, we can construct 15 degree with the help of compass. But again, 15 degree angle in your class 6th, not in the class 5th, okay? Because 15 is a multiple of 15, so we can easily construct. Agrim, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, Agrim, are you hearing me? Good morning. Agrim, to construct an angle of 60 degree, what is the first step? Tell me.
Ma'am, to draw a ray.
To draw a ray. Okay. With the given size or with any size according to your wish?
Ma'am, with any size.
With any size. Very good. Now tell me, what is the next step?
Ma'am, open your compass.
With any size or with size according to your wish?
Ma'am, any size.
With any size. Now open your compass and which tip you will put here? Sharp tip or tip of pencil?
Ma'am, the sharp tip on the A
Very
point.